Imagine you're a financial analyst, poring over countless financial reports. You've been tasked with a seemingly simple question: what is the total revenue of Paysafe? It sounds straightforward, doesn't it? But as you delve deeper, you realize it's not as simple as it seems. Paysafe, being a global leader in payment solutions, has a complex financial landscape. So, let's embark on a journey to uncover the total revenue of Paysafe. It's a quest that will take us through its history, business segments, and financial performance. Understanding Paysafe, a brief history. To understand Paysafe's revenue, we must first understand what it is. Paysafe is a multinational payment service provider that offers a range of online payment solutions. From e-wallets to prepaid cards, Paysafe facilitates transactions across various industries. Founded in 1999, Paysafe has grown rapidly through acquisitions and strategic partnerships. Its journey has been marked by significant milestones, including the launch of its flagship e-wallet, Skrill, and the acquisition of Nettler. Business segments and revenue drivers. Paysafe's revenue is generated from three primary business segments: e-wallets, card solutions, and merchant services. 1. E-wallets. Paysafe's e-wallets, Skrill and Nettler, are popular among online gamblers and traders. These wallets offer convenience, security, and a wide range of payment options. The revenue from e-wallets is primarily driven by transaction fees and currency exchange services. 2. Card solutions. Paysafe's card solutions include prepaid cards and gift cards. These cards are used for various purposes, such as online shopping, travel, and gaming. The revenue from card solutions is generated through card issuance fees, transaction fees, and interchange fees. 3. Merchant services. Paysafe's merchant services enable businesses to accept payments online and in-store. The revenue from merchant services is generated through transaction fees, payment gateway fees, and other value-added services. Financial analysis. Key metrics. To assess Paysafe's total revenue, we'll examine key financial metrics such as revenue growth, revenue by segment, and geographic revenue distribution. 1. Revenue growth. Paysafe has consistently demonstrated strong revenue growth over the years, driven by factors such as increased adoption of online payments, expansion into new markets, and strategic acquisitions. Analyzing the historical revenue growth trends provides insights into the company's performance and future potential. 2. Revenue by segment. Examining the revenue contribution from each business segment helps identify the primary drivers of Paysafe's growth. Understanding the relative importance of each segment is crucial for evaluating the company's diversification and risk profile. 3. Geographic revenue distribution. Paysafe operates in multiple jurisdictions worldwide. Analyzing the geographic distribution of its revenue reveals the regions that contribute most significantly to its overall financial performance. This information is valuable for assessing market concentration and identifying growth opportunities. Calculating total revenue. Now, let's delve into the process of calculating Paysafe's total revenue. While the exact figures are not publicly disclosed, we can estimate the total revenue based on the available financial data and industry trends. By analyzing the revenue from each business segment and considering factors such as geographic expansion and strategic acquisitions, we can arrive at a reasonable approximation of Paysafe's total revenue. As our journey to uncover Paysafe's total revenue comes to an end, we have gained valuable insights into the company's financial performance and growth prospects. While the exact figure may fluctuate over time, it is evident that Paysafe has established itself as a leading player in the global payment industry. Its diverse business segments, strong financial metrics, and strategic focus on innovation position it well for continued success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.